How to add Phantom Network to MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add Phantom Network to MetaMask, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your MetaMask wallet, just like I have done here, using the MetaMask extension. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you can see different options, right? As well as the network you're on currently. So to add the Phantom network, go to the top right corner of the screen, top left corner of the screen, and click on the network drop down menu. Then after clicking on that, amongst the options displayed, you can try to locate Phantom network, and then if you cannot see it, click on add network and then select add a network manually. So now the next step would be for you to add your network manually. And how do you do so? The first thing to enter here is the network name, so just go ahead and type out Phantom. Then to get other information, just go to the top right corner of the screen, click on a new tab, all right, and then the new tab, type the RPC URL of Phantom network MetaMask. So after doing that, you can see the RPC URL being displayed here. Alright, so just go ahead and copy it. So after copying it, go back to your MetaMask and paste it. Then the next thing would be to get the chain ID, so you can go back there and type out chain ID of MetaMask. You can see it's being displayed there, so you can just open up this particular folder or this particular article to get it. Okay, so then you scroll down to locate it. Once you've located it, the next thing will be to copy it. All right, copy, go back to your MetaMask, paste, and then select the symbol, click on save. All right, and then just like that, the Phantom network will be added. All right, very cool, right? And very easy, very easy. And then just you can switch to the Phantom network if you want to, or you can just remain on the network that you're using currently. So that is it. Thank you very much.